Samsung just announced the Galaxy Z Flip 4, which has a more durable design, a new processor, an upgraded camera, and, most importantly, new software that takes advantage of its foldable screen. It launches on August 26 for $1,000. These changes address some of our biggest criticisms about the Z Flip 3. Now that the Z Flip is in its 4th generation, it seems like Samsung has a better sense of what people want from a foldable flip phone. Samsung also seems to have a clear idea of who the Z Flip is really for. The Z Flip seems to be designed for people who take a lot of photos and want the flexibility to prop up their phone and take photos from different angles. That said, the Z Flip 4's $1,000 price might still make it a tough sell for a lot of people. Foldable phones still make up just a fraction of the overall smartphone market. I'm not sure if the Z Flip 4 is going to do much to change that, considering it's mostly just a refined version of the Z Flip 3, but it's still an improvement. First, let's look at how Samsung changed the Z Flip's design. The Z Flip 4 is nearly identical to the Z Flip 3, but with the slimmer hinge that has a slightly different finish. The main screen is also 45% more durable, and the exterior is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. But one of the changes I'm most excited about has to do with the software rather than the hardware. Samsung is making the Z Flip 4's cover screen more useful with new widgets and features, like the ability to reply to texts and make calls. This is a big deal because I've been wanting more from the Z Flip's cover screen since it's the first thing you see when you look at the phone. I'm looking forward to seeing how this adds to the overall experience when we get more time with the device. The software on the inside of the Z Flip is getting some new tricks too. While the Z Flip 4 is in flex mode, you'll be able to use the bottom half of the phone like a trackpad to navigate apps on the top portion of the screen. I don't think this is the killer app we've been waiting for, but it's great to see Samsung find new ways to make the Z Flip's foldable screen more useful. Next up is the camera. The Z Flip 4's main and ultra-wide cameras will have a 12-megapixel resolution just like the Z Flip 3's. But Samsung is making upgrades in other areas, particularly when it comes to nighttime photography. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 is getting the same low-light camera improvements as the Galaxy S22, which include a brighter wide lens and larger pixel size. The Z Flip 4's outer camera is getting an upgrade too. The pixel sensor and wide lens are both brighter, and it also supports portrait mode and video recording. The Z Flip 4 runs on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, which is a newer and slightly upgraded processor compared to the Galaxy S22 lineup. It's an interesting choice considering last year's Z Flip 3 ran on the same processor as the Galaxy S21. Samsung also upgraded the Z Flip 4's battery with a 3700 mAh capacity compared to the Z Flip 3's 3300 mAh battery. That also means the Z Flip 4 has the same sized battery as the standard Galaxy S22. It also supports fast charging, with Samsung claiming it can regain 50% of its battery capacity in just 30 minutes. With the Z Flip 4, Samsung checked off some of the boxes on our wish list. The battery life should be longer, the cameras are better, and Samsung is doing more with the Z Flip's software and cover screen. But overall, the Z Flip 4 seems like a minor upgrade to the Z Flip 3 rather than a giant leap. If you purchased the original Z Flip or are buying a foldable phone for the first time, this phone might be for you. But if you already have a Z Flip 3 or another Samsung phone that's less than 2 years old, you will likely want to wait. We'll have to wait until we've had a chance to review the Galaxy Z Flip 4 to see whether it really lives up to our expectations. So what do you think of the Z Flip 4? Let us know in the comments, and check out the links in the description for more Samsung coverage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.